Hello, my lovely viewers. You're once again welcome to Cooking with Abba. And today we're going to do some fresh chicken light soup. And this is not regular light soup, this is beet light soup. So there's beetroot in there, which is very good when it comes to your blood, when it comes to your health. So let's delve in and we'll see something super cheesy. So if you've not liked, if you've not subscribed, please do all to hit the subscribe button down there. To get notification, use the bell button by it. The top bell is the best for you. So yeah, let's delve in. So we're going to do our chicken beet soup. So obviously we're going to do some fresh chicken, and I used the onion, yes, with the leaves and everything in. There's a bit of parsley in there as well for the seasoning, and I blended the onion, ginger, garlic, pepper, and a bit of it just to use it to season the chicken together with the parsley. Then, of course, I told you I was going to use the onion fresh from the farm, a bit of ginger and garlic, and of course my star ingredients, the beets. So I peeled the skin of the beets. Then I have some tomato, a bit of beef. In Ghana, you can't do light soup without beef or in your form. Of course, some habanero pepper, garden eggs to thicken it up, and then a little bit of spices. You also need a bit of your tomato mix or tomato paste and some salt to taste. So let's delve into the cooking, the main part. So to kick off, start off by steaming the chicken. So I had to make sure that it's well seasoned in there. I added in the seasoning mix. I did. Now because it's all going to go into the food, I didn't want to overly overpower it. So you realize that I didn't put so much spice and things into the spice, and it's mostly the onion, ginger, garlic, pepper. Then once that goes on to it, my seasoning spices. Yeah, the spices. I'm just going to sprinkle a good amount of it as well on it, because chicken, if you don't season it well, the soup is going to be well cooked. It's going to come out well. But the chicken, you won't feel the taste of it. You know, when you bite into the chicken, it's not going to give you extra points. So how you season it matters. And because the soup are going to retain all the stock, you need to make sure that you don't overly season, else it's going to come out too some way. So when you're done, you just put all your veggies together on it for it to cook and soften, and then you blend. In this video, I used the onion leaves as well. So if you've not seen onion leaves before, how it looks like before they cut. Usually dry and then they sell it around here. So don't be too scared. This is nothing extraordinary, but then it's a great recipe. It makes it brings out some unique taste and flavor when you use the onion leaves in there. Trust me, you'd have to try this thing at home. So I'm just going to blend up everything. I'm going to blend up everything. So once they are blended, because it's soup, I want it fine. I'm just going to strain it for it to come smoother, because you don't want your soup with should I say amba. You don't want your soup of rough texture in there. Now because of the beets and the onion leaves, it may not pick all at once, so you may have to re-blend it or something to get it there. Now because of the beetroot, your soup is going to come out a bit reddish brown, or wine, that sort of thing. So let me tell you some of the good benefits of beet soup. Now beet has a lot of nutrients and very few calories. So for those who want to lose weight and check their diet, this is one great deal for you. Now when it comes to beet, it helps keeps your blood pressure in check. It improves your athletic performance. The gym people, those who are working out, yeah. It also helps you fight with inflammations. Now it also improves your health when it comes to your digestive system, and supports your brain as well when it comes to the advantage it gives you to weight loss is just marvelous. So don't be doing your regular light soup. The beauty about this is even without tin tomato, it's going to look nice. But you can use a bit of tin tomato in there because these days around here in Ghana, the tomatoes we get, they are mostly a lot of water based. So when you use the beet, aside the beautiful color, it also adds in more taste. So for chicken seasoning, you need to be sure that everything goes in well. So your salt and everything, you can pick it from there. Once you season it well and your salt balance is good, when you blend and put everything in, you may not really need to add in more salt. And be careful with the beef, because it's beef, you need to check your salt. But make sure that as you season the chicken, it's well balanced. There's enough salt, enough spice, enough everything. But don't let it be too much to overpower it. Such that when you're eating the soup, you feel so much of spice in the soup. Thank you. So yeah, try this fresh chicken beet soup recipe at home. It's super tasty, super nice, and yeah, spoil yourself a bit. Give yourself a healthy soup to drink once in a while. So till I see you in the next food video, do live life to the fullest, be merry, be joyous, and I'll see you in the next food video. Lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.